So, ayan, ang snow dito. Nag-start na. Ayan, yung mga puting makikita nyo sa tuktok. Ayan, mga snow. Nagbagsakan na. Ganyan. Tapos, papasok ako magbibisikleta. Ganyan. So, guys, I wanna show you the quick and easy cooking for lunch. So this is my simple lunch. This is can do for us is already like how many people can share this recipe with rice. So this is it, guys. Like pork belly, or I don't know how do you call that, eggplant, chili, garlic, onions, coconut oil, spinach. So this is the way I used to cook easily. So this is it. So all you have to do is just fry all the ingredients and with the pork and mix everything together. So I will put this eggplant. So this one, then leave it for a while. Put a bit of salt now, not too much salt. Cover up. And leave a few minutes. And then come the rest: chili, spinach, coconut milk. The rice is ready. So, can eat with rice. It's sizzling. So, now I can put my spinach. And chili. Nearly cooked. So guys, leave in a bit. This is a very simple cooking. I can put now the coconut milk. I think too much. Yeah. So put a little bit of salt more. Salt. Nearly done. So this is, guys. Oops, it's already cooked. So yan, it's cooked already. So let's eat. It's my rice. That's it. So let's eat. So this is the simple meal today. Hold on. So this is it.